Mexican air conditioning. Harley style, because Sam built at it, and look children, no hands. Amazing.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars.
It's
No.
free.
Go faster, lady, go faster, faster! Beast!
What do we have?
Look at a llama.
I am a llama. Safety first, children.
Look, no hands.
I know, look, no hands.
Again.
Ew, why did you wear this?
Shut up, because I'm freaking bad me.
See, children, you probably buckle it, it's too big for my head.
It matches your outfit.
It does?
Green.
Duh.
Go, 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 go! It's backwards! It's backwards!
I got more wind that way. Look at this. There's air conditioning. Hair's blowing in the breeze.
Yeah, the wind wind effect.
Hair, go. You're right, this does suck.